Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I feel like it's been a while since I did an Amazon's must-have. I've discovered some new things that I want to share with you guys. These are the ones that I use quite often because these are things that are honestly like useful, and I don't just say that like, oh, you have to have this, but I really think that you really do. Like, these are really good. I do have quite a bit, so make sure you grab some tea, some coffee, some snack, and just relax and watch the show because I have a lot to show you guys and I really think that you're gonna enjoy it. But before we begin, if this is your first time watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button down below. It is free. And also don't forget to click that notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 3 to 5 days a week, so I'd love to have you. Why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. Most of these I'm gonna show you, and there are some that I'm just gonna insert pictures because obviously there's some that I cannot show you because you'll see why. But I'm gonna first show you the ones that I got that I can show you physically. So the first one that I've been loving is this one right here. So this is like a snack pack. This is pretty awesome if you have kids. I think you can still use this if you don't have kids. Like if you wanna have like snacks on the go and you know, to help you stay on track to eat healthy, this is perfect because you could put some fruits, some kind of crackers, whatever you want, just put it in here, maybe some vegetables, vegetable dip, whatever. But I really love this actually for my baby. Every time I go out, this is always full of fruit, crackers, her vegetables. She does eat vegetables, which is pretty awesome. And whatever other crackers that she likes, I always put it in here. Her favorite is actually Cheerios, like the original Cheerios. She loves that. And she loves fruit. So I always make sure I bring this. Now, the reason why I love this is that you can actually take these out. So let's say if your kid just wants to have some fruit, right? If the fruit is down here, I can just open it and give it to her like this. If I want to give her some crackers, which is, let's say right here, all I have to do is open this and give her this. And you can also take this out and just close it. So if you just want to bring two, you can bring two, or you can just bring these two. So that I think is pretty cool. And this is genius. Whoever thought of this is really genius. This is removable, by the way, but I always keep it on because I think it's very like convenient to have that. I always put it in my purse, so I just put it in and I see it easy to grab, you know. So this I definitely think is a must-have. This is $14.99. But just to let you know, this is like random stuff. It's a little bit of everything. I'm just compiling it in one. Moving on, I got this right here. So I found out about this from a YouTuber, not a YouTuber, Instagrammer. A person on Instagram was showing this. This is what she uses for her little girl. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is genius. You're wondering what this is. Now, this is pretty cool. So basically, what it is if you have little girls and you put like ponytails or pigtails in their hair, you know how painful that is to take their little like rubber band hair ties off. They're like, you could tell they're in pain, they're uncomfortable. So why do that? I always thought of a way of like, how can I do that where it's less painful? And obviously I'm not going to use a knife or a scissor. I just think that's really dangerous. Guys, whoever thought of this is a genius. So you get 4 of these and it looks like this. So basically what you do, the hair ties here, for example, you just hook this and just take it out. And this blade right here will just cut it easily. I thought it's gonna be hard, but it's so easy. What I do recommend is just put this through one of the loop of the hair tie. It will cut it, and then all you gotta do is take it off and it just comes off, which is pretty genius. And they also give you some hair ties and also some of this rope that you can, I guess if you do like a braid, you can put it with this type of thread. I haven't done that. I mean, my baby has small hair, so I can't do that, but maybe in the future. Guys, this was $4.99. That is so affordable and I love it. So this definitely, if you are a mom, you definitely need this. Moving on to the next item is this foot scraper. And I know this kind of looks crazy. It's big. Now this honestly looks like a cheese grater. It really does. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like a cheese grater, but it's literally grating your crusty, dry feet. That sounds so nasty, but it's true. So I use this in the shower every time I shower, right before I get out. Each one I take about a minute. Guys, it really is a life changer for me. Really amazing. It keeps your feet nice and soft. If you're like me, I don't like to wear socks. Whenever it's hot, I don't like socks. So if I can avoid socks, I will do it at all means. But the sucky part about that is that when you don't wear socks, your feet get dry faster. So this is why I love this, because every time I get in the shower, I just take all of that all that dry skin off, and it's amazing. Like, it works amazing. This was like $4.99. Now moving on is this one right here. This is a lip exfoliator brush, and I really love this. It comes in a 2-pack. My daughter has the other one in her room. It's like a mint color, and then they give you also this pink one. I really love this because I feel like it exfoliates my lips a lot better than just using my finger to do how I used to do it before. Obviously, how most of us do it is use some sugar scrub and, you know, apply it to your lips, move it around, and then wipe it off or eat it. I don't know if it's edible, but this one's pretty awesome. So what I do is I put some sugar scrub on my lips, I move it around. I just feel like it exfoliates my lips a lot better. And then if you want to turn this around and use this side, this is really good for stimulating your lips, and you do really feel like your lips almost are like tingling. This I highly recommend. Like I said, it comes in a 2-pack, and it was like $5.99. I do use this every time I do my makeup. I always exfoliate my lips because I noticed that whenever I apply lipstick, if I don't exfoliate my lips, they end up never looking as good as I want it to look. So before I apply any lip product, I always exfoliate my lips, and that's a tip you should try. You will see a huge difference in your lipstick application. Moving on to the next item is this right here. So if you guys are a watch lover, you really need this. This is a watch repair kit. I left it in the box because I like the way it looks. So it looks like this. They give you basically everything you need. And the reason why I love this is because I recently got a watch, and I do have several watches, but I did recently get a watch. And every time I get a new watch, it always ends up being way too loose on me. So I decided to get the watch repair kit, which is really cool. It basically removes the extra links. This is so easy, guys. All you gotta do is put this thing right here, put the watch down right here, and turn this until it touches the little hole where you can see the little links, the little screws that are in there, and you just twist it, the screw comes out, and then you take the extra link out, and then you put it back, and it just has basically everything you need to repair your watch. Now, I'm not like a pro at this, but I did have this one before a while back. I don't know what happened to it, so I did need another one. And honestly, guys, you will save a lot of money. If you love watches, why not do it yourself? You will save a lot of money because this is $10. If you go to other jewelry places, they're about $15, $20 to adjust your watch. And honestly, I don't think that's worth it when I can get this. And in the future, when I get more watches, I just use this and that's it. And this one is really cool too. Like, it has this one as well, so you can you know, hammer the link back in, the little screw. So there's that. They have this. Honestly, I don't know what this is for yet, but I'm gonna look into it. They also have these. I don't know what everything is for, but they do have a lot. Like, they have this one right here, and here are the links that I already took out from the watch. But yeah, this is really cool. It does come with the pouch, so you can put everything in. Moving on to the next item. This might be a little TMI, I don't know, but I just want to keep it real. And you guys know I'm not really ashamed to show you guys certain things like this, because I think this is something that is essential for women. I picked up this menstrual cup. It's kind of like a kit because it comes with a large and small size menstrual cup. It's like a period cup. It comes with a carrying case, a sterilizer, and this was like $10. I do think this is worth it. I did see other menstrual cup that go to $35, and I honestly don't think it's worth it. You can get this for $10 on Amazon, and the other ones that you can get for like $35, they don't even have everything that this one has. So it looks like this. This is the sterilizing cup. So basically you pop it open like this, and you can put your period cups in here. You sterilize it. So basically you just put it in the microwave and you sterilize it. I do recommend you rinse it first, obviously, before you sterilize it, clean it, and then sterilize it. They do say that this will last you 15 years. Now, honestly, I don't think I'm going to use this for 15 years because, I don't know, to me that kind of sounds like, ew, that's a long time. You got to switch it up. But here is this little carrying case. You can keep it in here. And then it has two sizes. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's small. This is used for women that didn't give birth, and this one is after birth. You're supposed to use the bigger one. So I don't know. I actually thought that it had to do with the size of your period, which I'm gonna try both out regardless to see how that works. But there's that. There's two of these, and like I said, they're $10. I do think they're worth it, and I used to use this in the past. And then I stopped. I lost my menstrual cup and I totally forgot about it for a long time. And then I thought about it. I was like, why don't I just buy myself another one? It's pretty cool. It does take a few tries to get used to this, because the first time I put it in, I was just kind of like, what the heck? This is weird. It hurts. It's uncomfortable. But the more you play with it and you get used to it, it becomes really easy to put it in and take it out. Also saves you a lot of money, because instead of buying every month tampons and pads, you can use this. Okay, the next one that I want to talk to you guys about. Now this one, oh my gosh, I highly recommend this, that you guys pick this up. And it is a shower filter. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of the one that I got. I will link everything down below. So if you're interested in any of these things, I will link it down below. Just so you know, if you do click on my links, I do get a commission off of it. What's so cool about this shower filter? I've noticed a big difference. Before I used to take a shower without that filter, I always noticed my skin being very dry, and my hair a lot of times would be itchy. So the moment, and I'm not kidding you guys, the moment I started using the shower filter, my hair felt softer, my skin felt soft, which that was like, I was like, wait, what's going on? It is so amazing. It does make a huge difference. They do recommend that you change the filter every, I believe, 3 or 6 months. The refill is only $15, which I don't think that's a lot, because for me, when it comes to my hair and skin, that's very important to me, especially my hair, because my hair has been dry and I've been really trying hard to regrow my hair. So if I could do anything to help my hair grow back and not put extra harsh chemicals from the water that I don't need to, then I will do it, because to me that's important. If you guys want softer hair, healthier hair, guys, you have to try this shower filter. It's amazing. The shower filter is only $35, which I think is a great buy. Moving on to the next item is a jewelry stand. Now I got this for my daughter, and my daughter loves it. It is gorgeous. It makes the room aesthetically pleasing. It just looks beautiful. It has gold and marble, it just looks so pretty, guys. And if you want a way to store your necklaces, your bracelets, even your earrings, if you have hoop earrings, you can definitely put them. And then they do have like a little tray that you can also put, like, you know, your little earrings or rings and have it displayed like that. I love it. I just think it looks so pretty, and it makes you wear your jewelry more often because you see it. It's like right there displayed, and it's easy to just get it. For me, I'm that type of person that I have to see everything in order to know like what I have, to get inspiration, what to wear with and all that. You know what I mean? If you guys know what I'm saying, like if you're into fashion like me, you will know what I'm talking about. I love things displayed and I like to see what I have. That one is a perfect way of doing it. It looks really nice and elegant. So that one is one of my favorites, and I think it was like $20. And then the last one that I recommend is a clothing rack. Now I got mine, I think it was like $23, really affordable. It comes in the color white, gray, or black. I got the white because I like everything white. This thing is so amazing. I have a lot of clothes on this clothing rack right now. I have it right there in the corner, but this thing is so helpful and I absolutely love it. Now I have a walk-in closet, but I have a lot of clothes, so I decided to get a clothing rack for the purpose of having outfits ready for the week. So to me, that's just how I am. I like to have outfits ready with like the handbags and the shoes. So that way, if I'm going somewhere, I don't have to think about it. It's ready for me and I just get it. You don't have to obviously use it for that. You can use it for extra clothing space. You can use it for, you know, if you do YouTube and you need a good clothing rack where you can use it for your hauls, that one is really good. I do sometimes use it for my hauls as well. If I get sent some clothes from companies, I do like to put it there because that way I know I have to do a video on it. You know what I mean? It's just so convenient. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. Like I said, I haven't done an Amazon must-haves in a long time, and I'm glad I'm able to finally do it because I was looking on my Amazon purchase history, and I was like, girl, you got a lot of stuff, and there's some really good stuff that I really wanted to show you guys, because these to me are like game changers. And I love this stuff. I use it so often that I had to share with you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.